Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to play YouTube in the background on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search youtube.com. Now as you can see, the web version of the YouTube app has opened on your web browser. Now just open the video you want to play in the background. Just like that. Now, just pause the video and tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on your web browser app. And from here, just select desktop site. And once you have done that, just open the video you want to watch. Now just go to your home screen, and if you open the control center on your smartphone, you can find the notification for the video you want to watch. Just tap on play. Now, as you can see, this is how you can play YouTube in the background on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.